Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone overheating issue on iOS 16. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, what you need to do, first of all, if you have connected your iPhone to the charger, so disconnect your iPhone from the charger and restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to restart your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, then after the second solution is remove the iPhone cover. So guys, if you are using case on iPhone, so remove cover from your iPhone and provide shade, but don't put the iPhone into the refrigerator. So after this, the next solution is go to your settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, it might be a software bug to hitting your iPhone, so check your iPhone for update. If the new update is available on your iPhone, so upgrade your iPhone to the latest version. So I have the also latest version on my iPhone. So after this, the next solution is go to settings again, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings here, enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.